prepare for eruption.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, at 2 a.m. At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has already fallen in spots. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar.
We're about to have a double header.
Small creeks and streams.
God damn.
Streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some
Oh,
locations
yeah.
that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark,
Anything with
Gloucester City,
Pools Island in
Cherryville,
it.
Georgetown, Chester, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, and Lindenwold. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 3.
Damn blanket.
Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 329 and 346. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 33. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 329 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 35. Interstate 676 in
Oh my
Pennsylvania
God, just
between mile
end
marker
the...
0 and 1. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas.
God, you're finally done. Sterling wants to be in here too, so here's Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Mayo, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Camp Narrows Bridge, Eastern Bay, Greenbury Point, Low Point, Naval Academy, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Mayo, Annapolis, and Deal. The following is a flood statement.
Watch Thunderbird 01, their good videos, please.